me, your insane host. Anyhow, today we have what looks very much like a SNES game. This is Street Racer on the Commodore Amiga, here played on the Amiga 1200 with the help of the ADF GoTech drive. So, let us see what thrills await us here. Was that fire? Is that what? Ah, here we go. One player. Okay, alright. Practice head-to-head championship. Well, let's go for a championship. Shall we? Go on then. Let's have a look. Bronze cup, silver cup, gold cup, custom cup. Or exit. Well, there's only two. Let's go for bronze. I've not played this before. Okay, press fire to select a car. Become B. Big ugly bugger. Freak. Ooh, hello. Oh god, Mr. Smooth. Mr. Idiot. Frankenstein. The Wizard. I'm gonna go for the Flyboy because I accept. Okay, anywho. Right, let's have a look at this thing. Let's see what we got. How to accelerate. Ah, fire button by the looks of it. Oh. Right, go. Go. And go. These new tyres, because these are rubbish. Oh my god. Oh my shitty god. This is terrible. Oh god, can't control it. Be right back. Okay, I'm back and got a different controller. There's some hope of being able to control this bloody... Oh my god. Right. Review of the controls. Absolutely bollocks. Oh my god. Don't think I'll ever get hang of this. Okay, this is terrible. Oh my shitty god. Right, okay, it seems that you've just got to take your foot completely off the accelerator in the corners. That's you're screwed, basically. Okay, I don't think even I've ever, I can't even speak, I don't think I've even had a Formula 1 game that's so uncontrollable. My god, this is ridiculous. But, I will give it this, the graphics are good. Sounds a bit annoying, but the graphics are good. Okay, we're getting a little bit more used to how it handles now. He says as he careers off the road into a death-defying ball of fire and death. Right, yeah, this is terrible. Oh, I've got some company. Yay! What else can I do? Great. Right, come on. Ooh, it's just horrendous controls. It's, oh my god, I know I'm bad at games, but it's bad? Nah, no. Oh god. Right, okay. When is it gonna die? I want to die now. Lap 4 of something. I'm not even concentrating, I'm just trying to get to the end so I can try something else. Christ. I think we can conclude that we've lost this one. That might be a safe bet. Oh, shitty god. I'll give it this, the graphics are nice. Even if this is a bit of a flat course. It's not exactly Mario Kart, but it does run very smooth, I'll give it that. I will credit it where credit is due. There's not much credit due, but I'll credit it where it is due. Retry track, no, I really do not want to retry track. So let's see have another go of something else within it. Okay, alright. Come on, press fire. Pressing fire. Right, one player. Let's try something else. Practice. Rumble. Go on then. Easy rumble? No, I want an easy rumble. There you go. I'll just go the default car, whatever. Right, ready. The hell's this? I have no... Oh, right, this is just going in circles, is it? Okay, this is friggin' weird. This game gets weirder. So... What the hell is happening? What have I done in my life that it's come to this? Right, I'm just going around in circles in this. Oh, God. Please. 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 Kill me. My life is at an end. It's just going in endless circles. Oh my shitty God. I have no clue what's going on. No clue. This is where you need an instruction manual, boys and girls. And if you're looking at this video to teach you how to use it, I give up. I give up. This game is terrible. It controls terrible. Graphics are nice. Music is... yeah, meh. Music's meh. So, if you come across this game, I suggest you do not buy it. It's terrible. But if you've enjoyed the video, please like the video, and if you've not already and you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe. And my retro games video list and my Amiga games video list is found at the Zans Guns. So thank you very much.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.